So here next type of contraceptive method, that is injections or implants. This is also hormone combinations, only progestogen or progestogen with estrogen. For females only, this is as in the form of implants or injections. Injections directly induced, administered to the females, and implants, there is devices, small devices with consist of hormonal combinations, right here given. Their mode of action is similar to that of pills, and their effective periods are much longer. So how it works, injections or implant, it works same as in the form of pills only, because pills directly orally taking, injections means injections, giving of injections, implants means there is insertion of inducing of small implants into the skin, that is implants. Their mode of action is similar to that of pills, and their effective periods are much longer. Compared with pills, its effective periods are much longer. Implants are hormone containing devices which are implanted subdermally. Implants. So how implants should be inserted inside the, how implants inserted to the females? Implants are hormone containing devices. So hormone, combination of hormones or single hormone progestogen, which are implanted subdermally. Derm means what? Skin. Subdermally, under the skin, beneath the skin, the implants are going to be implanted. To whom? To females. So generally in the region of upper arm region, the implants are going to be attached. Okay, we will insert it. So I will show in the diagram, you can easily understand. So how implants are work? Implants are work same, blocking of ovulation and prevent sperm transport. So earlier we discussed, whenever hormone combinations are there, then obviously ovulation should not take place, then enter the sperm is decreases, prevents. What is the reason? Because of cervix mucus is going to be thick, right? Okay, I'll show the implants here. Okay, I'm repeating regarding about injections and implants. Only progestogen or progestogen with estrogen in the females only. So these are implants or injections. Implants or injections also one of the type of hormonal methods of contraceptive methods, consist with either progestogen or progestogen with estrogen, right? The mode of action is similar to that of pills, and their effective periods are much longer. How it works? It is based on, based on their hormones only. So as similar to the pills and more effective, with effective periods are much longer, right? Implants are hormone containing devices are implanted subdermally. In the subdermally, under the skin, beneath the skin, the implants are implanted. So how it works? It is works based on the principle of blocking of ovulation and prevent sperm transportation. Sperm transportation is going to be prevented, and ovulation should not takes place. Okay, we'll show the diagram of implants right here. So these are the implants. So implant under the skin of the female, under the skin in the region of upper arm, it is implant. It is going to be implant in the region of skin. So it consists with the hormonal combination, and whenever hormone releases into the blood, the increasing of hormones takes place, and obviously ovulation should not take place. So this is implants. In earlier in NCERT diagram, implants given. So six type of six different implants. So that is earlier method. So nowadays the only single implant is administered for contraceptive methods, and injections are direct injections. Hormones injections should be induced to the females. Okay, so implants and injections, right? So next type of contraception, that is emergency contraceptives. Emergency contraceptives. So till now we discussed whenever these above contraceptives are using by the females, then conceiving is not takes place. Emergency contraception means these emergency contraceptives should be used in case there is unprotected sexual intercourse takes place, unprotected sex takes place, unprotected coitus takes place. That time for the prevention of pregnancy, the people should follow emergency contraceptives, right? So here go through the lines. Administration of progestogens or progestogen estrogen combination or IUDs within 72 hours of coitus have been found to be very effective as emergency contraceptives. So after the coitus, so whatever we discussed above contraceptives are before coitus or during coitus. So here after the coitus, administration of progestogen or progestogen estrogen combinations or IUDs within 72 hours of coitus. Suppose today occurs, today coitus happens unfortunately. So within 72 hours, within the 3 days, it should be administered. What should be administered? Emergency contraceptives are need to be administered. So it consists with what? It consists with same the single progestogen or progestogen estrogen combination or IUDs also. IUDs also act as emergency contraceptive methods. So we discussed regarding about IUDs, intrauterine devices. So it decreases the it decreases the sperm motility and phagocytosis of sperms takes place and make unsuitable implantation, uterus implantation. So it act as IUDs also act as emergency contraceptives, right? It can prevent emergency contraceptives can prevent most pregnancies when taken after intercourse. Unfortunately, sexual intercourse happened, they don't want pregnancy, so they should follow emergency contraceptives. It can prevent most pregnancies when taken after intercourse. Okay, it can be used unprotected intercourse, contraceptive failure, incorrect use of contraceptives and rapes. So in what case emergency contraceptives are used? Emergency contraceptive can be used unprotected intercourse, unprotected sexual intercourse without using of any type of condoms and barriers and all. Unprotected intercourse, they don't want children, they don't want conceiving. So at that time, and contraceptive failure, in case of the people who are using contraceptive, following contraceptive methods, it should be failed. In case chance for fails also, in case of contraceptive failure, incorrect use of contraceptives. So contraceptives are not properly using. So in the case of rapes and sexual assaults, in the case of rapes, in rapes generally unprotected intercourse only happening. So that times the people should be used administered by emergency contraceptives. Here example given, morning after pills or emergency contraceptive pills, that is examples I pill and pill 72. These are all available in the markets, the medical shops. So these are consist with the hormones, different types of the hormone combinations also, right? Emergency contraceptives, administration of progestogen or progestogen estrogen combinations or IUDs within 72 hours of coitus. So these are when it should be after, means within 72 hours of coitus, after the coitus within 72 hours. Why? Because of it prevents the implantation and further have been found very effective and emergency contraceptives. It can prevent most pregnancies when taken after intercourse only. So after intercourse, it should be act as emergency contraceptives. IUDs also act as emergency contraceptives. It can be used unprotected intercourse, contraceptive failure, incorrect use of contraceptives and rapes also. In what case emergency contraceptives should be used? In case of unprotected intercourse, contraceptive failure, incorrect use of contraceptives and rape also, right? And next one, examples morning after pills, those are I pill and pill 72. This is regarding about emergency contraceptives. So in next class we are going to discuss about different types of surgical methods, that is permanent contraceptive methods. So we discussed in the flow chart, one is temporary and another one permanent contraceptive methods. So till now we discussed regarding about temporary contraceptive methods, and next class surgical methods, those are permanent contraceptive methods. Thank you very much. Bye bye.